Hi boys and girls, and welcome to the channel. It's Matt from the Real Toy Shop, and we're going to do a walk round now in one edit with no messing about of this Volvo V70 2.4D SE. That's the diesel turbo with a legendary 5-cylinder motor in it, with a crazy low mileage, 2 owners from new, and fantastic pile-up service history. This is just how you want your Volvos to come. So let's have a walk around it, see if there's anything you like, see if there's anything you don't like. Let's go. And this one, I don't know if I just mentioned that, this is the all-wheel drive as well. So quite a rare beast, really hard to find another one. So as we're walking around it, we'll see we've got a set of wheels on there, a couple of little scuffs on some of these, but it also comes with another set of wheels that have got winter tyres on. So that's the kind of owner that we're talking about here. So really fastidious. And as we walk around this, it can, all those things become apparent. They really do. And it's properly nice condition. It's not perfect. It's a 2005 car. What is going on with my camera? Dear me. 2005 car. So you're going to have little bits, so you can tell with no edits, can't you? You're going to have little bits and pieces on it, but nothing that detracts really from the car. And as we come round, you'll see, like I say, these are the summer set of wheels, if you like, that are on the car, a couple of curbings, and the winters we'll go and show you in a minute. There's that privacy glass in the back, and it also has the optional rear spoiler on there as well, as you can see. There's not a lot this one hasn't got, to be honest. All the leather and everything's nice, and it will come to that in a minute. There's a little scuff down the bottom there on that corner of that bumper, which just shows its genuinity. It's not been tarted up, painted, sprayed or anything like that. This is how it's come to us, which is great. It's how we like to see them, to be honest, because sure, we can get around that, we can paint it, we can wheel refurb and everything else, but there's just no need. The car is fantastic, original condition. We've got the memory seats in here, and for those of you who don't know as well, we took the XC70, which is the sort of, I don't know what you'd call it. It's no more rugged than this one, because this one's got 4-wheel drive. But we took one to the top of Norway just recently, and there's a full video series of that, which there's still more chapters to come, but go and have a look and you'll see how we enjoyed it. And the miles per gallon was crazy. So that great 5-cylinder diesel, which sounds lovely, and it did for us 45 to the gallon, which for a big heavy 4-wheel drive car we thought was absolutely phenomenal. So looking back, headlining's all good and everything as well. And then we've kind of got like, that must be a speaker for the phone in there, because this one has got a phone, but you do have to put a SIM card in it. It's not like Bluetooth, you've got to put a separate SIM card in, like the old days car phones and what have you. And hopefully you can see just what I'm seeing in front of me, because you're getting shown it in real time and I'm not cutting anything or editing anything or anything like that. So the 4-wheel drive bit really does, you know, add to this. We've got a tiny little, I don't know if you can see that over there, see my fluffy fleece there on the top of the door. Again, just keeping its originality there. You can see these seats don't look like they're satin. It's got the proper Volvo rubber snow mats in there as well. And the mileage is the thing on this. I don't think there can be, well, I know there's another D5 SE or D5, one of these P2 V70s, because we've got it and it's done 50-something thousand miles now. It had done 40-something. So have a look through. Here's your paperwork. So Kastner, I'll show you, because just in case you don't believe me, Kastner is the Volvo dealer, look. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Then another owner's taken over. And we've got, let me have a look, servicing, which is this one, AMC Motor Engineering, down in Paynton, and they have done just, you name it, it's there, it's done, MOTs and everything else, and here's all receipts and things for tyre. It just goes on and on and on. And type of person you've got, also Volvo spare wipers there. We've also got spare keys, all the handbooks, everything is all here, and then all the old MOTs as well, all documented with the car. Now we'll have a look under here, and you can see the type of owner because we've got a tow rope. We've got, what have we got in here? That's your oily rag for the dipstick. You've got a first aid kit. So, you just know, don't you? I know, I've had these cars and I know the type of people that have had them, and it just really, really, really makes a difference to what you're getting. It drives phenomenally. We drove it 250 miles home. Enjoyed every minute. It's MOT till a long, long, long time into next year, and it drives ace. If we got stuck with this, Lisa would be more than happy to keep this. And the SE 70 could go, maybe, I don't know. So let's have a look again on this inside of this front. So we know that it's a Haldex system on the 4x4, so it runs like a front wheel drive setup, and as soon as you start skidding, that kicks in, and it works. I've tried it on the grass around the back. So what have we got in here? Well, we've got the memory seats, we've got cruise, which works. These are phone buttons, but you need a SIM card, which lives in there, look. Goes in there. Everything in here is nice and tidy, it smells nice. Extra boxes there, we've got a cup holder, more boxes, 12-volt power supply there. All the info stuff on there for your dash and your miles per gallon and everything. Yeah, let's go. Let's fire her up. So, driver's door's open. We know that. I've just left it open. So if I turn that off, there you go. That's the bit about the SIM card, look, wherever it is. Oh, it's gone now. Won't let me see it. But it tells you need a SIM card in anyway for the phone. 61,933 miles. This thing's barely running, I'm telling you. We've got heated seats, all working. We've got traction control, electric folding mirrors, heaters which are on full blast, with automatic with climate control. We've got a sat nav in this, but it does say it can't read the disc. It might need a CD cleaner in it or something like that. It has got a disc, might be broken, but on there, look, there's a little mount, so you can stick your TomTom on there, and then you're not reliant on the Volvo thing. It might just kick into life, who knows. I did take the disc out in the back and give it a wipe, but well, it didn't make any difference. So maybe you've got to put one of them CD cleaners through. Dolby Pro Logic surround, which sounds lovely. I'm not going to carry on playing that because you know what happens. If we move around the back, that I forgot to show you, which is important. We've got the boot tray, which is in here. Forgot to mention that, and I've got power socket in the back here. You've also got your parcel shelf, retractable, which pulls out and hooks in around here somewhere, like so. Yes, there we go. You've also got in here, in this one, you've got the retractable, there's my fluffy arm again, retractable dog guard in there as well. So good amount of stuff. No smoke, no nasty rattles, nothing like that. Just take you over very, very quickly and show you the snow tyres, which come with the car. Oh, quick march down here, and you've got a set of not snow tyres, but you know what? Well, they are snow tyres. To be fair, they're winter tyres and wheels that come with the car also. Give it a little rev so you can hear it. See if there's any smoke or anything, which there isn't. Not a thing. Clean as a whistle. So, what can we do for you on this car? Well, If you've a part exchange, we can certainly look at it. You're not going to find another like this. I know you're not. If you've got a part exchange, please. Ooh, sun's coming out now, look. Blinding us. That's where you need to be. Whoop. There we have a part exchange form. If you fill that in, let me know what you've got, car, boat, bus, whatever, and I will have a look at that. And that's really it with this, because we can help you with delivery. We'd much rather you came and saw the car, and that's how it's much better for everybody. But we can help with delivery. If you need to get it delivered or whatever, we can do that, but we'd much rather you came and saw it. Sure, we can still deliver it after, it's not a problem, but you're better off just driving it home, aren't you? So that's it really, isn't it? Can't really say any more about this fantastic car. I can't rate them enough. I love my old Volvos anyway, but if you want one, low mileage, low owners, something you're going to run for a long time, this is probably your kiddie, isn't it? Thanks for watching. As I say, loads more videos and stuff on our YouTube channel. If you need to ask your missus first, please get her asked. One thing I didn't mention, no tow bar. Strange for a Volvo, but fantastically good too. So yeah, all them other videos, get them watched, get them liked, help us out on our little channel. YouTube thinks you might like this one, or this playlist. I think just hit that like button and help us out as much as you can. So thanks for watching, and I guess we'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.